Namaste, Dosto. Today I am sharing 40 most important questions everyone must know before starting a systematic investment plan. SIP. Short, clear, and with real examples. So let's start 1. What is systematic investment plan? SIP. Systematic investment plan, SIP, means investing a fixed amount every month. Example 1,000 every month in a mutual fund. 2. Systematic investment plan, SIP, versus lump sum difference. Lump sum equal one-time big amount. Systematic investment plan, SAP. A small monthly amount, example 100,000 at once versus 5,000 every month. 3. Minimum amount to start systematic investment plan, SIP. Most funds allow 100 to 500. 4. Can I start systematic investment plan, SIP, with 500? Yes, small systematic investment plans, SIPs, grow big with time. Example 500 systematic investment plan, SAP, for 10 years can become 100,000 plus 5 expected systematic investment plan, SIP returns, equity. Systematic investment plan, SAP, average 10 to 14% long-term. Example 3,000. Systematic investment plan, SIP, for 10 years approximately 7,000. 6. Is systematic investment plan, SIP, safe? Systematic investment plan, SIP, reduces risk but does not eliminate it. Long-term is safer. 7. How long to continue systematic investment plan, SIP? Minimum 5 years ideally. 10 to 15 years. 8. Systematic investment plan, SIP, for goals. Decide goal, then time, then monthly amount. Example, goal 5,000 in 5 years. Systematic investment plan, SAP, approx 6,500 per month. 9. Systematic investment plan, SIP, to reach 1 crore. Example, 15,000 per month for 20 years, approximately 1 crore. 10. Best systematic investment plan, SIP, for short-term debt or hybrid funds. Example, money needed in 1 to 3 years. Watson. Best systematic investment plan, SIP, for long-term equity. Systematic investment plan, SIP. Example, retirement after 20 years. 12. Systematic investment plan, SIP, for child education or marriage. Use large cap plus flexi cap combination. 13. Which funds are best? Large cap, flexi cap, ELSS. Index funds choose after research. 14. Equity debt hybrid. Which one? Short-term equal debt. Medium equal hybrid. Long-term equity. Example, 6 months goal, debt fund. 15. How to compare funds. Check returns. Risk fund manager, AUM. 16. Large cap, mid cap, small cap. Large equals stable. Mid equals moderate risk. Small equals high risk. Example, beginner's large cap. Systematic investment plan, SIP. 17. How many systematic investment plans, SIPs, should I have? 2 to 4 is enough. 18. How systematic investment plan, SIP, returns are calculated using XIRR method. 19. What is CAGR or XIRR? Return percentage per year. Example, your systematic investment plan, SAP, gave 12%, Sawan, R20. What if market falls? You get more units, better long-term return. 21. Is systematic investment plan, SIP, guaranteed no market-based? 22. Can systematic investment plan, SIP, lose money? Yes. Short-term, long-term usually recovers a 23. How to start systematic investment plan, SIP. Through App Bank or AMC website, 24 documents needed, Aadhaar PAN bank details. 25. How to stop systematic investment plan, SIP. Click stop or cancel in your app at 26. Can I increase or decrease systematic investment plan, SIP, later? Yes, anytime. 27. What is step up systematic investment plan, SIP? Increase systematic investment plan, SIP, every year. Example, 2,000 today. Next year. 2,500. 28. Best date for systematic investment plan, SIP. Any date. No effect. 29. Tax on systematic investment plan, SIP. Only when you withdraw, 30. What is ELSS systematic investment plan, SIP? Tax-saving mutual fund, 3-year lock-in, 31. ELSS versus normal systematic investment plan, SIP. ELSS saves tax but has a lock-in, 32. Can systematic investment plan, SIP, save tax? Yes. ELSS under Section 80C. 33. Common systematic investment plan, SIP, mistakes. Stopping early, selecting wrong funds, 34. Should I stop systematic investment plan, SIP, in market crash? No crash is the best time, 35. Too many systematic investment plans, SIPs, good or bad? Bad hard to manage, 36. Is it too late to start systematic investment plan, SIP? Oh, never example. Even at 40 is a 1,000 systematic investment plan, SIP, for 15 years equals 40 to 50 lakh. 37. Can systematic investment plan, SIP, help me build gold wealth? Yes, example 5. Tola gold, approximately 3,000 yuan, 38. How much monthly systematic investment plan, SIP, for 5 Tola example, 1,500 per month for 5 years, 39. How long to achieve 5 Tola gold value, 4 to 6 years depending on systematic investment plan, SIP amount, 40. Why people invest even with low income? Because start early, bigger compounding. Example, 1,000 per month from age 25. Crore potential. If you want me to create a full systematic investment plan, SIP calculator, or a gold systematic investment plan, SIP plan, tell me in the comments. See you in the next video.